Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into Impact Subsea. We've been looking at their material to really try and figure out what powers this company, their innovative subsea sensor tech.
Right.
Our mission really is to quickly unpack the whole picture for you, what they're aiming for technologically, and maybe more surprisingly, the kind of culture they're building inside.
Yeah, and what's really interesting, I think, is how clear they are about their main job. Creating these next-gen high-performance subsea sensors. The goal seems pretty straightforward on the surface. Make those complex underwater jobs, simpler and definitely safer. And they talk about questioning the status quo.
And when they say questioning the status quo, especially in subsea tech, we're not just talking small tweaks, are we?
No, not at all.
Historically, this field used bulky, older systems, sometimes prone to, known failure points.
Exactly. Legacy tech.
So Impact Subsea seems to be going for genuinely groundbreaking stuff, trying to cut the risk, boost the data quality.
Precisely. Yeah. And they're quite open that this kind of demanding innovation isn't just about the hardware, the circuits.
Right.
They actually say their platform for these sensors relies on, quote, a diverse collection of people, a really good working environment, and having the latest support tech.
So they're basically saying the people and the environment are key. It's not just the engineering.
It sounds like it.
Yeah.
The human element is maybe the main engine here, driving that tech excellence.
Okay, so if the people are the engine, we need to look at the fuel, right? Maybe the real innovation isn't just in the sensors, but how they treat their employees.
That's a good way to put it.
Let's look at their benefits, because this is where I think their actual priorities really shine through. They list their top 10 benefits.
Yeah.
They promise, the best tech infrastructure, latest computer, software, all that. That's expected, maybe.
Sure, in a tech company.
But the focus on employee life, that's what jumps out. Flexible working hours, work from home options where it makes sense. And listen to this, 34 days of annual leave as standard.
34. Wow.
Yeah. Think about that. That's almost 7 weeks of paid time off, guaranteed.
That amount of leave, especially in such a high-stakes, specialized field like subsea tech. And they make a point of saying the company has grown every year since founding. That suggests this model, this generous benefits approach, it's actually working for them.
Stability and tech leadership, despite the pressure.
It seems so. It suggests the benefits aren't just a perk, they're part of the strategy for success.
Okay, so to really get a feel for that pressure, we can look at a specific job they advertised, a technical support engineer.
Right, good example.
And this isn't your typical help desk role. It's about providing expert technical help, diagnosing, repairing complex equipment, making sure clients have total confidence in the sensor.
Yeah, it really shows you the technical level needed in this industry. Very high bar.
Extremely high. You need a degree or an H&D that's a serious technical qualification in electronic engineering.
That's the baseline, the foundation.
But here's the interesting part. It's a dual requirement. You need that deep engineering knowledge, and they stress needing a proactive approach to problems, plus experience working directly with customers.
And that makes sense, right? In the subsea world, if equipment fails, that's incredibly expensive. Lost time, lost data, huge consequences.
So this engineer is right on the front line.
Exactly, they're guaranteeing uptime. It takes technical brilliance and sort of service mastery rolled into one.
So wrapping this up, what's the big picture from our dive? It looks like Impact Subsea has managed this really delicate balance. They've got radical high-end innovation in a very specific niche field, these subsea sensors, but it's supported by, incredibly strong, modern ways of employing people.
Flexibility, high leave, good benefits.
Yeah. It feels like they're betting that investing heavily in their team's comfort, their flexibility, their rest, that this actually equals better tech, more reliability.